is called choose your field. Like what business I'm going to start, what is the field that I'm going to crash? Like, is it going to be the digital field, the medical field, um, maybe buying and selling something, maybe a product, maybe a service, and so on. So the first one is to choose your field. The second one is to establish a vision about your field. So what's going to be your vision? What is the main thing that you want to achieve through this project or this business? And the third thing is designing a smart goal. And people think that smart means like a very intelligent one, while actually SMART, it's an abbreviation for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time framed. So whenever you want to put an object or a goal, it has to be smart that way. Okay? You have to be specific. You have to give your time yourself a time frame. You have to be achievable, because maybe you're not putting a plan achievable and it got you at the end of the day disappointed. Like, I'm gonna make 1 million in 1 week. So it's never achievable during that days, okay? So the last thing is choose your target. So what is the target of the business, and who are the target? Who are the audience of your service or whatever you choose? So this framework, we call it the blue framework. Why? Up till now, you haven't communicated with anyone. You haven't put a serious plan, like a financial plan or something. There is no speaking with people. There is no paying anything. It's a blue.